Measuring with pumpkins, 3 to 5 years. The Count, Play, Explore logo appears in the lower right with the words Count, Play, Explore for early education. Exploring with measuring tapes appears on screen. Toddlers use measuring tapes to measure pumpkins while an educator observes them.
From here all the way to the bottom of the table. Let's see how tall is this little pumpkin.
The educator is working with a child, Ezekiel. She points to the top of the pumpkin stem, showing him how to measure the pumpkin. Ezekiel holds the measuring tape as the educator points to the measurement.
Look, what number is that? 7 what? 7
Inches.
7 inches tall. How about this one? I'm wondering how many inches tall is that one?
The educator slides another pumpkin towards Ezekiel. He measures it from the top of the stem to the bottom of the pumpkin.
How many? Look, 5 and
6.
The educator points to the measurement. Ordering pumpkins appears on screen. The educator holds a small pumpkin and talks with Ezekiel. She gestures at the other pumpkins on the table. Ezekiel takes the small pumpkin from her and places it next to the others, ordering them from smallest to biggest.
we have how many pumpkins we have now?
1, 2, 3.
The educator puts all 3 pumpkins in a line.
3. Are all the same size? No, which one is bigger? And which one is the smallest?
Another child points to the biggest pumpkin, then the smallest pumpkin. The educator nods.
That one? How did you know?
Because it's so like this.
Yeah.
Ezekiel places a 4th pumpkin on the table.
Oh, Ezekiel got one more. So we have 3 and we added one more. How many we have now?
Ezekiel holds up 4 fingers.
4. And now which one is the smallest? Look again. Look again. Which one is the smallest pumpkin?
Ezekiel and the other child tap on the smallest pumpkin. Credits. A special thanks to the children, families, and staff at Gilroy Learning Center, without whose help these videos would not have been possible. The Count, Play, Explore logo appears in the lower right with the words Count, Play, Explore for early education.